Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Professor Smita Mangesh Junarkar. Welcome you in this video section. In this video section, we are going to see about computer networking and the topic is telecommunication network part 1. Computer. In telecommunication networks, computers of all the sizes and types are connected through media to perform their communication assignments. They include host computer, which is called as a mainframe computer, front-end processor, this is also called as a mini computer, network computer, which is called as a microcomputer. In my previous video, I have explained about the mainframe, mini, micro as well as supercomputer. Now, telecommunication control software. This consists of programs that control telecommunication activities and manage the functions of telecommunication networks. This software looks after network management, performs the monitoring, activity monitoring, priority assigning, and transmission error as well as network problems. Types of telecommunication network. Telecommunication networks can be classified on the basis of different factors which are area coverage based, functional based, ownership based, as well as media based. Now let's see about the area coverage based. First class, that is a LAN. It is a smaller network of connected computer where the computers are connected to each other with the help of wire or cable. Nowadays, even without wire, that is a wireless, we can connect the network. But it is within the certain limits, roughly 1 kilometer to 2 kilometer. It provides high-speed data transfer and it is inexpensive. Example, network in office, same building, particular branch of the bank, etc. WAN, it is a bigger network to connected computer where the computers are connected to each other with the help of fiber optic cable. It is within the certain limits, roughly 40 kilometers to 60 kilometers. It provides high-speed data transfer and it is bit expensive. Example, cable TV network. Third one, that is a WAN. It is a large network connected computers where the computers are connected to each other with the help of satellite transmission or long distance telephone services or undersea cables, etc. It is not restricted to the geographical location, means there is no limit. It provides relatively low speed data transfer and it is a very expensive. The internet is the example of worldwide public WAN. Interstate banking network is also example of WAN. Moving further, that is a functional based client server. Within that, hierarchical network strategy in which the processing is shared by server and numerous clients. In this type of network, clients provide the user interface, run applications and request services from the server. The server contributes the storage, printing as well as all the processing services. Within the functional base, second class is a peer-to-peer. It is the type of decentralized and distributed network architecture in which individual node in the network is called peer, which act as a both supplier and consumer of resource. All the nodes on the network have the equal access to the resource on all other nodes. Third one, third class, that is a multi-tier in functional base. It provides the model by which developer can create the flexible and reusable application. Moving further, that is a ownership based and within that classes are Public network. Network established for all the users across the world is known as public network. Internet is an example of public network. Second class, that is a private network. Network used by a particular organization. This network is not available to outside world. Intranet is an example of it. Third class, that is a virtual private network, which is also known as VPN. The technologies that allows data to be exchanged securely as well as privately over the public network such as internet. VPN uses the method called turning. A VPN uses the same hardware infrastructure as existing internet or intranet. Virtual private dial-up network, that is a VPDN, and site-to-site VPN are the examples of virtual private network. Thank you students for watching my video. This video we are going to continue in my next video section. Till the time being, you can share, subscribe as well as like my video.